It's a major victory for Right to Pray campaign. It's a historic judgment by the Bombay High Court, which has lifted ban on entry of women in the inner sanctum of Haji Ali Mosque. This ban, which was imposed by a trustee around 2012, was challenged by petitioners and women activists. Now Bombay High Court has ruled in the favor of the activists getting some reaction.
The point is that the reform movement which is required within the Muslim community is now being led by Muslim women, especially by leaders like Zakia Johar, Soman and by Noorja. And today there is also a new situation where progressive Muslim men from within the community are taking a more strident position in standing with the women of this community. So I think the process of reform is carried ahead. Haji Ali is the first victory, and now we will even go for the issue of triple talaq.
They have restored the status quo ante. That means the earlier position when women were allowed has been restored. It has been held that the ban violates Articles 14, 15 and 21 of the Constitution, and therefore the ban has been set aside. After the judgment was pronounced, now the detailed reasoning will be in the judgment, which will be uploaded. You all can check it out. But the operative portion is this, that they have allowed the petition and allowed entry of women. The High Court has taken a view that the ban on the entry is unconstitutional. Now, apart from that, after the pronouncement of the judgment, the trust said we wish to go to the Supreme Court and we want 8 weeks stay. So I opposed it and I said, since this is a restoration of the earlier position, there is no need to grant a stay. But the...
All right, we'll get that complete answer from Vidya. Now, Vidya, that is the other bit of operative statement that we need to know, that what the Honorable Court said, because if the trust will be challenging this order in the Supreme Court, they have requested for 8 weeks stay. Was that allowed by the Bombay High Court?
Well, they were granted a 6-week stay on the entire operative order, so which really means that women really cannot enter the sanctum sanctorum of Haji Ali Dargah even today or for the next 6 weeks, until and unless the Supreme Court actually lifts this entire order and restores it as it was in 2012. However, saying that, the women here do consider this as a major victory, because they think that exactly as the fact that the High Court has really agreed with them, the fact that it has said that the fundamental rights of any man and a woman are same, just as they are when a woman was not being allowed to enter inside. The fact that they will be allowed at some point is something that they are looking forward to now, and certainly they're pretty happy with this order.
All right, Vidya, be with us. Zakia Soman, petitioner in Haji Ali Dargah case, has welcomed this verdict. She said it's a step towards justice for Muslim women. Also getting a reaction from Trupti Desai. Take a listen.
आज हाजी अली दरगाह में जो निर्णय आया है, बहुत ऐतिहासिक निर्णय है। महिलाओं के हक और अधिकार की जीत है, हमारे संविधान की जीत है, और हाजी अली दरगाह में जो मजार तक प्रवेश की पाबंदी थी वो हटाई गई है। तो हम बहुत खुश हैं। भूमाता रणरागिनी ब्रिगेड ने जो आंदोलन किया था वो आंदोलन सक्सेस हुआ है, और हमें लगता है कि महिलाओं का हक और अधिकार जो छीना जाता था वो कहीं ना कहीं हमें मिला है।
So Vidya is still with us. Vidya, take us through what exactly happened in the court, because now the verdict says that the petitioner Zakia Soman and Noorja, who challenged this ban, calling it unconstitutional, that women should be allowed in the inner sanctum, they are a step closer to the huge victory that we are talking about. But it's not a complete victory, because still doors will not be open for women immediately, as the trust of Haji Ali is going to challenge this verdict in the apex court.
Well, Devlina, it's not really an immediate victory, but look at it from the point of view that the Bombay High Court has really upheld the fact that, women can enter. At some point, they are very sure that they will be allowed entry, and the fact that what the trust was doing was wrong. In fact, if you remember, Devlina, this entire arguments had happened 6 months back. The state government had also said, the Advocate General at that point was Sri Hari Ane, and he had very clearly said that fundamental rights cannot be overruled over by any laws that the trust makes suddenly. I have Firoz Mittiborwala with me, who is one of the well-known activists and was participant in this. Let's speak to him and ask him, sir, women will still not be allowed inside. So how do you still think this is a huge victory?
See, one is I believe it's a legal victory. It definitely is a moral victory. It is a constitutional victory. And as it is the case in legal matters, the stay orders to come. It's a matter of 6 weeks. After which the stay order does uphold. So after 6 weeks, he'll get to go. And I believe that
Tripti Desai of Bhumata Rangragini Brigade, she was the first one to lead the fight for gender discrimination to end at places of worship, because she had gone and entered Shani Shignapur Sanctum Sanctorum. We also have the Sabrimala verdict, which is awaited, but today is Haji Ali verdict at the Bombay High Court. Vidya continues to be with us. So Vidya, how are the petitioners celebrating at the moment? Because even as the trustees would approach a higher bench of a Supreme Court on next level, but
Well,
right now you have Tripti Desai saying on Sunday they will go to Haji Ali.
आज आप लोग किस तरह से एंजॉय करेंगे, किस तरह से सेलिब्रेट करेंगी इस ये जो विक्ट्री हुई है, इसको किस तरह से सेलिब्रेट?
अगर सच में मालूम होता है कि हमारे हक में फैसला आने वाला है तो बाहर में ढोल बाजा जरूर रखती थी और हम डांस करते करते जाते थे, क्योंकि हमको बहुत खुशी हुई है। और आज जुम्मा का दिन है, आज अल्लाह का भी शुक्र अदा करेंगे, 2 रकात नमाज पढ़ेंगे कि हमारे हक में ये फैसला आया है।
लेकिन ये अभी भी एक बहुत छोटी सी विक्ट्री है, इसके आगे लड़ाई लंबी है, क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट तो ट्रस्ट जाने ही वाला है, उन्होंने ये बात साफ कर दी है। क्या आपकी लड़ाई आगे भी रहेगी?
जी बिल्कुल।
किस तरह से आप लोग इसकी तैयारी कर रहे हैं?
अभी ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट के लिए अगर जो वो जा रहे हैं तो हम भी जाएंगे, और जो फैसला यहाँ रखे तो फैसला वहाँ भी रखेंगे।
एक चीज मैं जानना चाहूंगी, इस पूरे दौरान आप लोग जब पिछले 2 साल से जब लड़ाई कर रहे थे तो बीच में कुछ लोग भी आए, उन्होंने जबरदस्ती ट्रस्ट के अंदर घुसने की कोशिश की, आप लोग का समर्थन था क्या इस बात?
बिल्कुल नहीं, क्योंकि हमको अगर ऐसा घुसना होता तो हम किसी से नहीं डरते, हम घुस जाते थे। लेकिन हमको कोर्ट पर पूरा फैसला था जब हमने कोर्ट में पिटीशन डाला था।
तो अब जब इस पूरे मामले में ये हो गया है तो क्या अभी भी कुछ भी किस तरह से सेलिब्रेट करेंगे? आपने कहा ढोल नगाड़े लेके आती थी, लेकिन आज इसके आगे कैसे सेलिब्रेट?
इसका पता नहीं था, लेकिन जब रात को मीडिया ने मुझे फोन करके बताया तो मेरे को रात से ही खुशी है। मेरी आधी नींद तो वहीं उड़ गई और फजर की नमाज पढ़ी, और जब से मेरी तैयारी शुरू है इसके लिए।
साथ में नमाज पढ़ेंगे, आज जुम्मा का दिन है, हम लोग सब साथ में नमाज पढ़ेंगे और दुआ करेंगे कि या अल्लाह आगे भी हमें कामयाब कर।
इसी तरह से कामयाबी मिले।
उम्मीद थी पहले से थी कि हम लोग जीतेंगे, क्योंकि हम सच्चाई पे थे।
हाजी अली बाबा, भारतीय मुस्लिम महिला आंदोलन।
As you can hear, the women really are happy with the fact that they have won one legal battle. They know the fact that it will stretch on further. They will have to take this entire fight to the Supreme Court, where they are really hoping that they will win. But they really want the status quo before 2012 to be established, where they can enter just like any other man can enter the Sanctum Sanctorum of the Haji Ali Dargah. They too want to enter and pray.
Well, Vidya, also if you can ask them, we have a reaction coming in from Tripti Desai that Bhumata Rangragini Brigade will be there on Sunday, will try to enter Haji Ali as well. They will go up to the point now where women will be allowed to go before the case is taken in the apex court. What is the reaction on it?
Well, they have already been saying that they do not support Tripti Desai in this entire thing. In fact, I particularly remember, Devlina, that during this entire order...
Okay, Vidya, we take that question. We have Abu Azmi, who's an SP leader, who's joining us at the moment. We take that question, but let's go across to Mr. Azmi first. Mr. Azmi, this is a historic decision from the Bombay High Court. Big women victory for for entering Haji Ali Dargah's inner sanctum. Your first response to it?
See, India has been divided in 2 parts, India and Pakistan, only because of caste. धर्म के नाम पर 2 देश बन गया. And that time, this constitution has assured that everyone should obey their religion. अभी हमारे धर्म में ये है कि कोई भी महिला किसी कब्र पे नहीं जा सकती, चाहे उसके माँ बाप मर जाए तो भी वहां नहीं जा सकती है। ये धर्म का मामला है। अभी आप हाईकोर्ट का डिसीजन ये आया हुआ है। मुझे अफसोस है कि कहीं न कहीं रिलीजन में, धर्म में कहीं के इंटरफेरेंस हो रहा है। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस विद आवर पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड।
नहीं, पर मिस्टर आजमी, ये तो 2012 में रोक लगी थी ना। 2012 से पहले, फ्रॉम 1865 टिल 2012 महिलाओं को अंदर जाने की इजाजत थी, तो धर्म को किस तरह इंटरप्रेट करा जाए, ये बड़ा सवाल होता है यहाँ पे कि कौन इंटरप्रेट कर रहा है। जो महिलाओं के खिलाफ इंटरप्रिटेशन हो रही है ये तो
महिलाओं के खिलाफ बिल्कुल नहीं है, महिलाएं जा सकती हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए दरगाह में जाने का एक जगह बनी हुई है। जब थोड़ा 2-3-4 फुट ज्यादा दूर यानी कब्र के पर हाथ नहीं लगा सकते, ये औरतों के लिए एक धर्म में है। अच्छा पहले होता था लेकिन उसको रेक्टिफाई किया गया।
पर 2012 में जो वहां पे ट्रस्टी बने हैं उन्होंने अचानक से ये डिसाइड कर लिया कि यहाँ तक महिलाएं जा सकती हैं, यहाँ तक नहीं जा सकती हैं। ये तो आपके धर्म को इंटरप्रेट करने के लिए जब हुआ गया, गलत हुआ गया, तभी जो है आप ही के समाज की महिलाओं ने इसे चैलेंज करा है।
देखिए हमारे समाज में शराब पीना मना है, बहुत सारे लोग पीते हैं, कौन मना करता है। सूर्य नमस्कार मना है, बहुत सारे लोग करते हैं, कौन मना कर रहा है, जिसको करना हो करे। परंतु अगर धर्म की बात की जाएगी तो धर्म से मना है, उसको रोकना चाहिए। देखिए अगर 2012 के पहले लेडीज लोग दरगाह तक अलाउ थी, मुझे नहीं मालूम अलाउ थी, और अभी 2012 में डिसीजन लिया गया, कोई गलती को सही किया गया, तो उसमें कोई हर्ज तो नहीं है।
पर ये दिखाई दे रहा है आजमी जी कि इस बार गलती हुई है 2012 में। पहले जो है सेंचुरीज तक ये हो रहा था, ये आज या कल की बात नहीं है। 1865 से ऐसा हो रहा है कि महिलाएं जो हैं हाजी अली दरगाह जा सकती है। बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट ने भी यही कहा है कि अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन राइट टू वर्शिप इज अ फंडामेंटल राइट टू फॉलो एनी रिलीजन। इसको जो है किसी भी तरह मोड़ा या तोड़ा नहीं जा सकता है। तो ये जो धर्म गुरु है जो 2012 में डिसाइड कर रहे हैं महिलाओं के लिए, ये कौन होते हैं डिसाइड करने वाले? और गलती तो 2012 में हुई है जिसको रेक्टिफाई करने की जरूरत है।
देखिए मैं समझता हूँ कि ये गलती नहीं हुई है, ये सुधारा गया है। और जो है मैं समझता हूँ कि मैंने पहले भी कहा आपको कि महिलाएं चाहे उनके माँ बाप भी मर जाएं तो भी वो उनकी कब्र तक नहीं जा सकती। कब्र पे जाके महिलाओं को दुआ मांगना मना है, दूर रहना है उनको। ये कुरान कहता है। ये सारे जितने धर्म गुरु हैं वो जरूर इस बात को कहेंगे। लेकिन बहुत सारे दरगाहों पे औरतें जाती हैं, जाके वहां वो चादर चढ़ाती हैं, उसको पकड़ती हैं, लेकिन इसके सही नहीं माना जा सकता, ये गलत है।
नहीं आजमी जी, यहाँ पे ये सोच बदलने की भी बात है, क्योंकि ये जो केसेस आ रहे हैं ये यही सोच बदलने की जरूरत है। यही दर्शाता है कि किस तरह जो है महिलाओं को इक्वल दर्जा देना चाहिए, बराबर का दर्जा देना चाहिए। महिलाओं को दबाया नहीं जा सकता है। 2012 में कोई अगर उठ के कहता है कि महिलाएं यहाँ पे नहीं जा सकती, वो कैसे उसको मान लिया जाए, क्यों फॉलो करा जाए? जो मुस्लिम महिलाएं हैं वो भी खुद क्वेश्चन कर रही है। तो अब जो है महिलाएं चुप नहीं बैठेंगी इस बात में, इसका संकेत ये बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर दे रहा है। हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए शुक्रिया। वी आल्सो हैव इम्तियाज फ्रॉम MIM who's joining us at this moment. Sir, what is your first response to the Bombay High Court verdict? Right to pray victory, but you have other quarters like SP leader Abu Azmi saying that this kind of a decision also raises questions on the religious leaders who feel that women should not enter this inner sanctum. That is the rule that should be followed by the religious community.
Well, I think it will be a little exaggeration if we say that if you allow women to enter one particular dargah in Mumbai, then you are giving equal rights to women. This is basically an issue that concerns the trustees and the management of that dargah. They have some reasons why women should not be enter those limits. But to say that it's like taking away the rights of the woman is totally wrong. And we had always said that in different dargahs there are certain rules and regulations which the trustees of those particular dargahs make, and they have genuine reasons for that. Now, it has nothing to do with religion per se. If they are not allowing women, or if there are certain restrictions imposed on children, or there are certain restrictions imposed on anyone, those rules are drafted by the trustees and the management of that dargah. Even in the case of Haji Ali, it is not a religious issue as such. It is an issue that concerns the management and why.
Mr. Jalil, you're absolutely right. It's not a religious issue. It's an issue about gender discrimination. It's an issue about right to equality. It's an issue that why is it that in 2012, Haji Ali Dargah would change the practice which has been carried on for centuries. 1865 till 2012, women allowed in Dargah. Your own party leader, Haji Rafat, has said High Court should not have interfered. And now that they've given a decision against us, we will approach the Supreme Court.
Well, let me make it very amply clear that even when some protests were being made allegedly by some MIM party workers, we had made it very clear that our stand was clear from day one that it is an issue that concerns the management of Haji Ali Dargah, and one Mr. Rafat who was making protest was doing so in his individual capacity and not as a party worker. He was not endorsed by the party to undertake that protest, because we had maintained that it was an issue concerning the protesters and the management of the trustees. And as far as giving equal rights to women is concerned, I think you need to do some study of Islam, because Islam gives equal rights to women. But unfortunately, because we don't have complete study of Islam.
Mr. Jaleel, here is a simple question. Why in 2012 will trustees of Haji Ali change the practice and tradition of centuries, not allowing women to enter the inner sanctum? Why would that be done? And now today that Muslim women have challenged this complete diktat, they have emerged victorious at Bombay High Court verdict. Why is it their own community not supporting them?
It is not a question of, see, if in 2012 they have changed the rules, then obviously they must have some reasons, and they are the best people, not to the MIM party, to answer on behalf of Haji Ali Dargah management. But does that mean that before 2012 women were getting equal opportunities, equal rights for them in Islam? It's not the case. Ever since Islam came into being,
Mr. Jaleel, that's the question. You keep on talking about equal right for women, but what about the practice of it? Because this is a brazen gender discrimination. One trustee board decides one fine day women will not be allowed to enter Haji Ali Dargah. Women activists from the same community challenge it. And now that they have emerged victorious, why question? Why not support them? It's Bombay High Court has upheld the right to equality against the Article 26, which gives trust to right to manage their own affairs. They've said right to equality is supreme. Why not celebrate it? Thanks for joining us with that story and with that perspective. But